And my wife's birthday is on October 11th. This is special to me. I got her the Lamborghini Urus, the new one.
So, I was going to go to LA, and motherfuckers called me talking about it's an emergency. I gotta go to Atlanta because Offset fainted and shit. And I'm just like, oh my God, what is going on? And look what I got here. Oh, I'm so happy. They're not really gonna have to learn how to drive. Well, I'm happy. I'm just so happy and thankful. I love you.
Love you too.
Y'all don't even know how I feel, y'all, because I've been praying for the last 2 hours to every goddamn religion that there is. Like, God, I hope this nigga's okay. Why nobody answering my calls, acting funny? I don't want to raise my baby by myself. Jesus Christ, I hope everything is okay. So happy. Babe, I love you.